Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy UFO gaming with the lowest gas fees. Okay, so I think that you know what UFO gaming is. It's a metaverse coin, and I hope that you do your own research before getting into any cryptocurrency. Alright, so to get into or buy UFO gaming with the lowest fees, as you can see here in markets, as we all know, decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, they have higher gas fees because they use Ethereum and stuff. So we need to use a centralized exchange like Binance. All right, so in this case it's gate.io. So go to gate.io. If you don't have an account, you'll find the link in the description. Create an account. It's pretty similar to Binance and KuCoin, and as you can see, they are similar on the platform as well. So then after you created your account, go to wallet and deposit. So now select what coin you want to deposit. All right, from here select or type in the coin that you want, and then select what network that you want to do the transaction. Just make sure to select the same network that you've selected in here on the platform that you're going to withdraw your asset from. Okay, so after you've received and deposited your asset, go to trade and spot trading. So now that we are here, you can either, if you have USDT and deposited USDT, that will be great, but if you have deposited any other coin than USDT, just type in the name of that coin so you can sell it for USDT so you can buy UFO gaming. All right, so let's do an example here of XLM, for example, and choose the name of the coin that you have deposited with USDT. All right, and click on it, and here we are. Scroll down here and go to sell. All right, so here is your balance. You'll see the amount of that coin that you have in your account. Click on it and it will automatically fill all the balance that you have on your account, or you can select the amount that you want to sell. Okay, and then sell the coin and you will get USDT. All right, so now that you've got USDT, let's head back to here and search for UFO. So here we are, UFO to USDT, and here we are. So as you can see here, you can see the balance of USDT that you have. Click on it again, choose if you want to use 100% of the amount that you have of your balance or just 50%. Okay, and there is here you can see the price of one UFO. So it depends on the market price, which is this one here, and as you can see here in the chart. Okay, but if you want to bargain and get it with a lower price than the price of the market right now, click one of these. Okay, or if you want to sell with a higher price than the one is the current market price, click one of these in here. Okay, so this is a type of bargaining, so you can earn more when you sell, if you want to sell with a higher price or lower price. But of course you need to choose a reasonable price that it will get the coin that you have to sell, or if you want to buy. Okay, so in this case here I want to buy, for example, with this price here. I'm going to click on it and it will automatically get filled in here, and let me choose the price or the amount of USDT that I want. If you want to click 50% or put in the amount that you want in here, and this is it, and click buy, confirm order, and that's it. All right, so after your order goes through, you'll see that your balance in here, or you can go to your wallet and spot account and you'll find it in there. Okay, I hope you like this explanation, and please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.